what's up guys? This will be the start of our day going to Yokohama. Joe wants to go check out the Gundam, so we're gonna go do that. Also check out Mooneyes, and then probably take a walk around ChinaTown. I'm gonna try and make it a light day, but realized that before I put the camera down last night, I didn't really go over what I picked up from the auto salon. So what I did pick up was this hat, and then a bunch of stickers and random stuff, but got some Maxarito driving gloves, picked up some up garage shift knobs, and then where's the last thing? Oh, it's up there. Sorry, I'm just going through my closet that I'm using as storage. Kind of random buy, but I picked up this HKS like parts tray thing that I thought would be pretty cool. Whether I use that for, I'm probably not going to use it as a parts tray in the garage, but use it as like, I don't know, like a change cup or tin or something to just put in the house. Would be kind of cool to have around on my desk back at home. But yeah, so gonna get ready to go. We're gonna meet up in, I think, like an hour or so. Going to head out to Mooneyes, gonna grab lunch there, and then walk around ChinaTown, pick up, maybe see about picking up some things there if I see anything cool. And then the Gundam. Joe wants to be there at night, so I know, pretty sure last year I didn't really do a night video at the Gundam, so definitely look forward to that. It's a really cool experience at night, both times during the day and at night. It's really cool, but they do like this whole light show at night, so yeah, look forward to that, and I will pick you guys back up once I'm heading out of here. Well, that's a fail. It looks like they're doing maintenance or something on the elevators, so I'm about to walk down 8 flights of stairs. Not too big a deal, but you know, another beautiful day in Japan. At least it's not cold, even though I'm wearing my hoodie and a jacket, because it's supposed to get cold later, and Joe wants to be out there for out there at night. So yeah, gonna do our standard 7-Eleven run and go from there. Yeah, got money, coffee, 7-Eleven run. I'm just gonna put this out there. Please do research on the country you're traveling to. Customs, food, culture, stuff like that. I just ran into some people at the 7-Eleven that like had no idea what they were doing, no idea what they were looking at, and we're trying to make, I don't know, like comparisons and stuff to American things, and just being loud. Like, Japan is a pretty quiet country, aside from Tokyo. Tokyo is like a whole nother beast. I think I've said it before, I don't like Tokyo, but yep. Got my coffee, on our way to the station to meet up with everybody. Should be a good day. It's not too cold, not windy. Chinatown and I got my panda bun. My camera won't focus. English people's version of Excalibur. Like type of like. What's up, guys? Just got back to my room from dinner and stuff. This actually might be a little bit of a lighter video. Kind of forgetting to film as usual, and then yeah, just enjoying the moment out with the guys, having fun. Filmed a couple clips here and there. Yeah, this ends up being one of those kind of weird lighter videos. I think I took some stuff on my phone, so I'll definitely be adding that in to the video that you guys would probably already have seen if I did that. But yeah, with this potentially being a lighter video, I was gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up through the day now. So we'll do that now. So Mooneyes picked up some fuzzy dice for David, some stickers, got this really cool Gundam mug from the Gundam Factory. Also picked up a hat from Mooneyes. This was super cool. So the G3 color version they did specifically because they kind of extended how long they were going to keep the Gundam Dock slash factory open. So that's kind of cool. Had to pick this up. And then I kind of said, why not? And just picked up this one, especially since they're going to be closing the Gundam Factory in Yokohama come end of March, I think, or beginning of April. But yeah, so that's kind of all I picked up today. And yeah, hopefully with what I filmed today is kind of sufficient enough, and is actually going to be another enjoyable video for you guys, which I'm actually about to hop on my computer in a little bit here and start editing this and getting that whole thing figured out. But yeah, might be slowing down on content a little bit because work will probably be picking up. So instead of being able to do multiple videos, filming multiple videos in a weekend or in a week, it'll probably go down to maybe one, if I'm lucky, two. But yeah, so this will be it for this one, and I hope to see you guys in the next video with whatever I plan to do or wherever I plan to go here in Japan. We've got over 2 months left, so plenty of time to go out and explore and check stuff out and show you guys what I'm doing and where I'm at, and kind of giving little tips along the way, I guess, like I have been with the Pasmo card thing, and then I guess anything else that I notice would be helpful for you guys, if any of you guys ever come to Japan or want to. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this, and I'll see you guys later.